If you're over 18, watch this. Most people think investing is complicated, risky, or only for wealthy people. But the truth is, not investing is actually the bigger risk. In this video, I'll show you simple investing tips for beginners, step by step, so you can start the smart way, even if you have very little money. Let's clear up the confusion first. Investing simply means putting your money to work so it can grow over time. Saving money protects you. Investing grows you. When you invest, your money earns returns through businesses, markets, or assets. Over time, those returns can compound, meaning you earn returns on your returns. The most powerful advantage beginners have isn't money. It's time. Let's look at a simple example. Person A starts investing $200 a month at age 25. Person B starts at 35, investing the same amount. Even if both earn similar returns, the early starter ends up with significantly more money, simply because of time. You don't need to wait until you know everything. Starting small and early matters more than starting perfect. Let's break some common investing myths that stop beginners. Myth 1. You need a lot of money to invest. Reality. Many platforms allow you to start with very small amounts. Myth 2. Investing is gambling. Reality. Long-term investing is based on research, discipline, and patience. Myth 3. You must be an expert. Reality. Simple strategies often outperform complex ones. Before investing, ask one simple question. What am I investing for? Is it long-term wealth, retirement, financial freedom, extra income in the future? Your goal determines how long you invest, how much risk you take, what type of investments you choose. Retention line, no goal equals no direction. Every investment comes with risk, but risk isn't something to fear. It's something to manage. Beginners should focus on diversification. Don't put all money in one place. Long-term thinking. Avoiding emotional decisions. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is overcomplicating investing. You don't need dozens of stocks, constant buying and selling, following every market trend. Simple strategies, followed consistently, often work better than complex ones that cause stress and mistakes. You don't need to invest a large amount all at once. What matters more is investing regularly. Small amounts invested consistently can grow significantly over time. The market will go up and down. Your job isn't to predict it. Your job is to stay consistent. Emotions are the biggest enemy of beginner investors. Fear causes people to sell too early. Greed causes people to buy too late. Successful investing is boring, patient, and disciplined, not exciting or impulsive. Let's imagine a beginner who invests $150 a month consistently. They don't chase trends. They don't panic during market drops. They stay invested for years. Over time, their money grows not because of luck, but because of discipline and patience. If you remember just one thing from this video, remember this: investing success is built slowly, not overnight. Investing isn't about getting rich fast. It's about building a better future, one smart decision at a time. If this video helped you understand investing as a beginner, backhand index pointing right, like the video, backhand index pointing right, subscribe for more simple financial education, and comment below, what's stopping you from starting to invest?